Hello and welcome to my reptile lizard monster makeup tutorial. And for this look you will need green and orange face paint, a darker shade of green and a lighter shade of green to add depth to the skin to look like reptile skin, black to outline the eyes, and white for any highlights. I'm using liquid latex to glue down my eyebrows, which I've already done, or you can use a regular glue stick. I'm using a foundation stick to block out my eyebrows. I made a homemade stencil using a piece of paper. I punched holes in it with a hole puncher. I would then apply dark green and light green to stencil small little holes on my face to give me a texture of a lizard skin. I am also using this stretchy black mesh, which I will wrap around my neck, and then I will dapple some green face paint on my neck and then peel this off to have a textured skin kind of like a lizard. I am using a purple Hawaiian lei and a green Hawaiian lei. You cut the Hawaiian lei into and it becomes a continuous ribbon. Then I take the ribbon and I cut it into small purple and green triangles. And when I'm done, I'll have a whole bunch of purple and green triangles. And then I will use the purple and green triangles around my face to look like scales standing up on the lizard face. Now in this look, I want to completely hide my hair, so I decided to buy a pair of tie-dye tights, which are textured. And I'm going to cut the entire foot out, and this will make a small cap which will go over my head, and it will look like this. I also decided to make an orange foam material reptile tongue, and you can see where I cut the bottom in a V shape to give it that reptile look. Added some red metallic shiny tape down the middle to kind of embellish the tongue. And on the back, all I did is build a little pocket with two pieces of foam, gluing the edges, and then I cut a slit down there, and then just added this little extra thing to kind of support it, and then this will fit on my tongue as a reptile tongue. And because this is a reptile lizard monster makeup tutorial, this is the monster part of the lizard. I decided to make a pair of big purple googly eyes. So to make my monster googly eyes, I use a purple paper plate, cut it in a circle, added some red tape stripes around it, took some white paper and put it in the middle, glued the googly eyes on. Then I attached the googly eyes to a pair of costume ears, which are attached to a headband. Now, let's begin this reptile lizard monster makeup tutorial. This completes the application of applying the face paint makeup. I'm now going to apply the purple and green triangles around the perimeter of my face to look like lizard scales standing up, and I'm using the liquid latex. In This completes the application of the face painting and applying the scales around my face with the liquid latex. It's now time to compare my face painting to my drop. It's now time for me to get into full costume and to show you my complete and finished look. I do hope you enjoyed my reptile lizard monster makeup tutorial. Please check out all my other makeup tutorials and subscribe to my channel.